Welcome to Hettich. My name is Christian Simon. In this video I would like to explain how to fix front panels to an ArciTech drawer by using the Practica 200. The figures given in the catalog help to find the correct setting. The distance between the mounting position of the front panel connector and the side of the front panel is named C. In this case, the installation width EB is 12 mm. A is therefore 20 mm. You can define the overlay as desired. For this cabinet width, 19 mm side thickness and 3 mm reveal. The overlay measures 16 mm. Add A with 20 mm to the overlay of 16 mm to calculate C, 36 mm. The height position of the front connector is being measured from the bottom edge of the front panel. It is partly given by the drawer system, partly to be defined by the overlay or space below the drawer. The system measurements can be taken from the product documentation. The upper fixing position of the ArciTech front connector is 80 mm above the lower edge of the acto runner. The lower fixing position is 32 mm below. Additional fixing positions for railings, top sides and design sides for pot and pan drawers lay on one line 96, 128, 160 or 192 mm above, always in a 32 mm grind, easy to remember. The mentioned overlay or space below the drawer can be chosen as required, but it should always completely cover the drawer bottom. We recommend to plan drawer cabinets using planning systems such as SelectionProfessional or other CAD systems. All CAD data is available for download from the Hettich online catalog. Measurements from these plans can simply be transferred to the Practica drilling jig. First, set the A measurement of 36 mm for the sideway position. The lower stop must be set to the B measurement for the bottom drawer. According to planning, this is a 16 mm overlay. The drilling jig is already set for use. Place it on the rear of the front panel with stops to the lower and side edges. We recommend to use a drill bit with depth limitation, as this will avoid to drill through the front panel. Simply drill through the drilling jig's sleeves as required. This Practica jig can be used both sides. Flip it over, position on the other side of the front panel, drill again. This front panel is ready for assembly. As there is no overlay to be regarded for the upper drawers, the height position B must be reset once. In this case, the front panels on the upper drawers should be positioned with a minimum loss of space below the runner. If the B measurement is set to 0, this will perfectly fit. Once the drilling has been done, it is easy to knock in the front connectors using by knock-in tools. These front panels are ready for installation. So based on a precise planning, manual installation of front panels to ArciTech drawers is quite easy and very precise. Of course, there are also other ways to install front panels. Some of these you can watch in other videos. We hope this video was interesting for you and that it will help you when installing your front panels to ArciTech drawers. Thank you for watching and until next time.